If you guys want to see how I do this look, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. What's up, my Kyrie queens? It's your girl Kyrie Contour. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to you. I'm so happy that you are here today. For today's look, we're doing kind of like a, what you guys want to say, like a African Barbie? I don't want to say African Barbie, but just like a melanated Barbie. That's what I would say. But the best thing about it is that this look is for any person, race, gender, food preference. I don't even care. Okay. So if you guys want to see this, please stay tuned. I love it. Okay, guys. So I say okay, guys, all the time. I don't know why. I'm trying something a little different. I actually put the Proof It eyeshadow primer by NYX on my eyes first, and then I define my brows with my concealer. So that's why it looks like that right now. I'm just trying something a little different. So bear with me. So I'm just gonna jump right into the eye look. We're gonna do some pinks and glitter, and it's gonna be very Barbie-like. But you know that black Barbie, I'm just saying. So I'm gonna go into my Milani palette, and I'm gonna go in with Adulting. Now I'm gonna go into my James Charles palette and go with Skip. I'm probably gonna use that palette until I hit the pan. So if you guys are getting bored with it, how about y'all send me some new palettes? How about that? Look how bright that shade is, man. Ooh, Barbie, eat your heart out. The next color I'm gonna jump into is Love That in the James Charles palette. I'm just packing that color onto my condensed crease brush, and I'm gonna put that into my crease. Any flyaways you wanna sweep off? Get your little fan brush, sweep that. On my face or something. What the hell? I just absolutely love these colors because they're so blendable and it works so well, and especially when you use the Proof It eyeshadow primer by NYX, it just grabs onto the colors and it just helps blend, especially with the James Charles palette. I'm starting to talk fast like him. He does recommend that you do use his shadows with eyeshadow primer instead of like a concealer because it just blends better. Okay, so we on to the next color now. So I'm gonna even deepen my crease even more. I wanna define my big eyes. I wanna accentuate them. I don't wanna go in with like just directly with a black, because if you just put black on these bright colors like this and you start to blend it out, it's gonna look muddy. We're trying to look like Barbie today, at least your version of Barbie. I'm gonna go into Style Icon. We're just gonna go right, and we're trying to keep it more like into the crease itself, not bringing it out as much because it's like a gradient effect. I'm hoping this works out because I've never tried it before. Every time I come on here, I don't plan anything. It's bad. I should start planning some stuff, but I don't. So I am gonna go in Laritzi's Dew Pot. And it's in the shade Utopia. And I'm just gonna actually kind of cut my crease a little bit, but not too crazy. I'm not gonna bring it all the way out. I'm gonna just focus it like 2/3 of my eye. And as you already know, we're gonna do one eye at a time. And I like to use my finger, clean finger, and blend out the edges of that. And I kind of blend it this way, right? Because I don't want to bring anything back out here. I kind of want to blend into that side. I go into the Luster Light palette and use Skeptical, or use Spectacle. Skeptical. I'm about to be skeptical of my skills right now. So I'm gonna go back into the James Charles palette with Love That and kind of gradually blend the shimmer shadow here. Shimmer shadow. Now I'm gonna do the other eye. Be right back, guys. I'ma be right back, guys. So now it's not done here. I'm actually gonna go in with Hard Candy's Glitter Stay. And it is a glitter adhesive. I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand, just a smidgen. I'm just gonna get a flat concealer brush, my old little brush, and get some of that glue. I'm gonna paint it onto 2/3 of my eye, like I did Dupont, and blended out the edges first. I'm gonna do that with my glitter adhesive. I'm gonna do that with my glitter adhesive. Right, keep my eye closed. Gonna get some of that glitter. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like a pink glitter, and it's gonna get everywhere. That's just a part of the job. I'm just gonna do, you know, the basics, my foundation, put some eyelashes on. I'm not gonna do any eyeliner with this look because I think that would take too much from it. So I'm just gonna put some fluffy eyelashes on and do my foundation real quick and then fix my hair for you guys. And then I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is the look. I just did the eyeshadow on the bottom. I put some white eyeliner on my waterline, put some lashes on, and I did a purple lip liner with a pink lipstick and a hot pink gloss. So you guys tell me what you think about this look. I love it. Yes. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. We are going strong, guys. We are getting up there. Definitely getting up there. I hope that this turned out good for you guys.